haharap sila at ipapakita nila sa atin ang kanilang first kiss. Si Junior at Joanna May, sila po ay ganap ng mag-asawa. Okay, palakpakan po ulit yung malakas.
Yung 1,000 nga agad-agad. Ganon ka-generous ang ating bagong kasal. Kaya naman para ako excitement, trigger question. Kailan naman? Kailan ang kanilang exact anniversary date as boyfriends and girlfriends? I mean the exact month, the date, and of course, the year. Ako na.
June 4, 2012.
What is your name, miss?
Jillian.
Jillian, your answer, June 4, 2012 is absolutely correct! Jillian, scratching! Ayan na. 100 pesos, Jillian! Not ang toll gate. Nagiging sa mga dyan ako. Ayan ang pera. Magkano kaya ang mapapanalunan ni Bella? Ako parang ang konti ng energy. Kaya nga, top tips. Kapag konti lang ang energy ng mga bisita natin, konti lang din ang serving ng food. Approve mo ba yan? Approve everybody, let's all go! Ay, gusto lang extra rice nun ha. Naramdaman ko yun ha. And for our second in this step, we have it rolling on from side to side. We just have to roll our hands to the right like this. And to the left, come on everybody, let's do the roll. Come on, Miss Rachel, roll it. Ay, ang galing naman ng ating head coordinator pa na. And for our third in this step, we have the elbow. We take like this, come on. Come on guys, I want to see you guys moving your faces, please. Don't forget the clap, you know. Parang sa palakpak lang tayo nagkakasabay-sabay, ha. And for our fourth in this step, we have the high and low. Just put your hands up. And then, come on. And high and low. Bawat sa natin may sound sa inyo, ha. Wow. And for our fifth and final step, everybody, let's do the double wave. Just take your hands out twice to the right like this. And to the, come on everybody, let's do the wave. Woo! Wave it everyone, wave it! Woo! Ayan, nasa ulo po ba natin ang ating 5 steps? Yun lang. Yes na yes. Kaya na ba natin with music? Yes na yes, DJ! Let's shut up and dance song, please. Come on, everyone! I want to feel the energy of everybody playing it!
Ganda. Ganda, oh.
And I can tell you we're always like this. Everybody needs to be roll. Roll it, everyone, roll it! Come on, just raise up. It's an elbow, and now it's the high low. High, come on. And for our final step, let's do the double wave. Wait a minute, everyone, wait a minute. Is everybody in the top level? Come on. Alright, wow. I love the energy of everyone. Parang nabitin pa kayo, ha? Anyway,
Mom and I are a mess. Seeing you in that dress. Our little girl is now grown. And I remember how sweet when you danced on my feet. Now you stand on your own. You'll always be my little girl. My whole life, my whole world, my little girl. This dance is more than just a dance. It gives me one more chance to show the world how proud I am of you.
for you developed couple, ladies and gentlemen, once again, it is my pleasure to present to all of you our newest Mr. and Mrs. Cabello. Mga kaibigan, mga kapatid, our new developed couple in their first dance together as husbands and wife. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Caught in your gaze, I lost my defenses the most. You told me to stay for the night. I never left your side ever since. Sa ilalim ng kalawakan, pangalan mong isisigaw sa ilalim ng buwan.